In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily mirror your iPhone using an Apple TV 4K on your Android TV. Some of the newer TVs that are coming out have a built-in way of mirror your iPhone to the screen, but not all TVs have this capability. So 2 ways that I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone will work on any model of TV and any year of TV. You just have to have an HDMI connection to plug into. Here are the instructions on this. What you want to do is make sure you have your Apple TV 4K all set up and went through all the steps of getting it all installed and put together and attached to your iCloud account. And then the next thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control, which looks like this right here. All right, and then go ahead and go down to the settings right here and then click on that. And what you're going to want to do is go to that 4th tab right there that says AirPlay and HomeKit, and then click on that. Alright, so go ahead and make sure that your AirPlay is turned on. Some of you guys, when you first get this set up, you may have to get it connected with your iPhone, and the way that they do this is you have to make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you got to hold it near your Apple TV, and then it'll automatically pair. It's pretty magical how they do that. I mean, it recognizes that your phone is near the Apple TV and then automatically starts syncing together, and then you just got to give it the approval to access your phone. But once you do have it, make sure that your AirPlay setting is on right here, and it'll ask you to name it your Apple TV 4K to whatever room that you have it in. And then here on the Allow Access, there's a few different options here that you can choose. You can go to everyone, anyone on the same network. Only people that are sharing this home require a password on, and then you'll create a password, and then also allow nearby to AirPlay. So that's all based on preference on whichever one that you want to do. But once you have that selected, go ahead and go back. Make sure that that AirPlay is on. Now that it's on, we're going to have you go ahead and grab your iPhone and then make sure that it's unlocked. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to swipe down from the top right corner, just like so, so that it brings up this menu right here. And then you'll see right here where my thumb is, it says screen mirroring. So then you'll tap on that, and it automatically recognizes the Apple TV nearby. All you do is tap on that, it starts to think, and then voila, it's mirroring right to your TV. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.